Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. A winter weather advisory remains in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Timing: snow will increase this evening and spread south. However, the most significant snow accumulations will occur late tonight and very early Tuesday. Strong winds will also cause blowing snow late tonight and Tuesday morning. Main impact will be snow-covered roads as 2 to 3 inches of snowfall late tonight and early Tuesday. Gusty winds will also produce blowing and drifting snow. Other impacts will be wind chills dropping to near zero on Tuesday as temperatures fall into the teens. Winds will gust to 25 to 30 miles per hour at times. A winter weather advisory for snow means that periods of snow and blowing snow will cause primarily travel difficulties. Be prepared for snow-covered roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving.
This is an oil hazards radio station for the following county, Montgomery, Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a winter weather advisory for snow, which is in effect from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Timing: snow will move into the area late tonight and continue into mid-morning on Tuesday, affecting the morning commute. Snow showers and diffuse snow squalls will continue off and on until late Tuesday afternoon or evening. Snow accumulations, 1 to 2 inches. Locally higher amounts are possible. The following impacts are expected. The snow will lead to the potential for slick or snow-covered roads by the end of the morning commute. Slick or snow-covered roads and visibilities below half of a mile.
Advisory remains in effect until 3 p.m. Tuesday. For the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, and Greene. Snow accumulation of 2 to 3 inches are possible overnight into Tuesday morning. Snow will affect the region overnight into Tuesday morning, with the heaviest amounts expected after midnight. Additional snow showers may develop during the late morning and early afternoon. Travel difficulties are expected due to reduced visibilities, snow accumulations, and gusty winds. Winds southwest 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Remember, the winter weather advisory for snow means that periods of snow will cause primarily travel difficulties. Be prepared for snow-covered roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of information for the latest updates. Additional details can also be found at www.weather.gov/ILN as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter weather advisory remains in effect